Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the page size here in Adobe Acrobat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Acrobat, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the page size in Adobe Acrobat is a simple process that can be done using some of the tools here available in this platform. So once you open the Adobe Acrobat application in your computer, hover to the file that you wanted to resize. Now, for example, if you're using this, go to the menu, click the print option or Control+P or Command+P in your keyboard. What will happen is, now, once you are in this section, I want you to click the printer Adobe PDF. Do not use any of the following, all right? Just use Adobe PDF. We're not basically printing this document or the PDF, but we're going to resize it or changing the page size. Now, from here, click the properties, all right? And go to the paper quality. Now, in this section, I want you to go to the advanced. And from here, you see, this is the option for you to change the page size or paper size. You can use any of the following. All right, so I'll give the measurements to you. You have all these options. For example, you're going to use a letter, right? Yeah, you can count on the copy count because, as you can see, these options has different sizes. All right. Like, for example, for the slide, that's going to be 7.5 by 10. Tabloid is this, and the others are kind of different. Obviously, if you want to change the settings for print quality, 1200 dpi, you can also manage to do that as well. Document options and all that. After clicking on OK, you would be able to obviously choose the color if you wanted. But that's not going to happen for now. But this is the easiest way for you to change the Adobe Acrobat page size. All right, click on OK, and of course do not print it. All right, just click that for now. Now, if you hover again to the properties and go to the advanced, if you select the PostScript custom page size, you would notice, for example, if you put in any parts here, for example 6 or 9, click on OK. You see that the page has changed, right? From 9/6 to 6/9. It's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.